Hi video creators, have you ever encountered the situation where the resolution of the downloaded animation is very poor? Do you want to know how to reduce noise and enhance the clarity of this very poor quality anime video? Today I will introduce UniFab Animation model. Let's get started. First, head over to UniFab's official website to download the software for free. I've added the free download link in the description below. Once installed, launch the program. And on the homepage, you'll see several AI features. We will select Upscaler and then import our video. Next, it is very simple. You only need to select the output resolution and the required AI model to complete the operation of the entire function. Here we select Animation Model. On the right panel, you can preview your video and even trim clips before processing. Once everything looks good, set your export folder and simply click Start. Look at the results. UniFab's animation feature provides significant improvements that are visible to the naked eye. Sharper edges, more vivid textures, better contrast, and high definition that makes every frame visually appealing. It significantly improves the quality of the image and reduces significant noise and compression artifacts. UniFab's performance is excellent. If you've tried this tool or have thoughts to share, drop your comments below. I'd love to hear your experience.